My name's Davida Shensky, and the title of this course is Home-Based Business Masterclass, Create Multiple Streams of Income. Well, what is multiple streams of income? Well, it's getting income from various different sources within your business. For instance, if you have a sales funnel, you can be delivering a front-end product that's low-priced with the idea that you're going to upsell them to a high-end product in the back end. So understanding how to create multiple streams of income is what this course is all about. For the first thing, writing books can become a multiple stream of income because you first have the book, then you can take that book and excerpt it and create an ebook. Once you've done that, then you can start looking at other ways of repurposing products. You can create a whole e-learning course out of it. In fact, I'm going to be working with someone that wrote a book about learning and how adults learn, and what he's now doing is looking to create some e-learning courses out of it. And so what we're going to be doing is setting up a membership site for him so that anyone who is interested in taking the courses will have to pay to be able to take them, so that it's behind closed doors. That way, it's an opportunity to earn money. Then, once you have people who have gotten your front-end product, bought your back-end product, then you may want to upsell them to getting coaching services, actually doing and around that course. So if you have an expertise in learning or teaching or various different subjects, or you want to teach someone how to do digital marketing and building a business online, then you can, in essence, write an ebook about it. Then you can actually write a physical book about it that you sell. Then you can also create some e-learning courses, and then you can go in the back end and set up video courses on that particular subject. Then also, the last thing we're going to talk about in this course is how to set up an e-commerce store and how to use drop shipping to sell products. That what you do is you have a website, you have pictures up there, products that you're selling. When someone purchases those products, then you can, in essence, have the drop shipper send them out. So that you have to plan when you're selling products on a website how long it takes the shipper to send it to your customer. That way you've earned the profit, and the retailer or the wholesaler gets their money for their products. So it's a win-win for everyone. And you've built up a really great source of income through multi-purposing and creating multiple streams of income just with one product that you start out with. Understanding and incorporating this into your business can help you expand on how you actually build your business. Also, you have to think about branding your business and how you're going to brand it. And on your website, you will be branding it simply by the colors you use and how consistent you are in your marketing and using those colors and various ways. And your logo is also part of your branding.